nervous too.
Oh, the mini-me.
I know. $1 million.
I know. So sad. What'd you do? Well, we sat around and watched the baby for an hour. That's all people do.
Oh goodness. What if the nipple doesn't come back?
Oh, it will.
Oh, it will. It will come back. We love it.
Nope. Hey!
Because if I cry long enough...
What is he doing? Chewing? He's chewing his paw.
Quit chewing on your paw.
Stop it. He's worrying.
Go get some water.
Are you videotaping?
Food on the
Yeah.
table. Come on.
Look over here. Can you come? Look over here. Can you come over here? Nope. There we go. There we go.
But the nipple wasn't over there.
No.
The nipple was over in the other direction.
He's kind of eating. Did he eat it all?
Oh, I got to sneeze on film.
Oh, there's
Sneezing,
two. And a big smile.